Well, I've been thinking I wanna get away, fly to a place where nobody depends on us, and take a minute just to live it. Don't wanna analyze it, just wanna be in it. But sometimes I feel I'm living everybody else's dreams, and they're not for me. Now I'm in between the lightning before the thunder roars. What's in store, I don't know, but I'll be fine as long as I am yours and you are mine. I just want to take this moment to tell you that I miss you and I love you. And if I ever seem a little distant, it's because I like to get inside my own head. Sometimes I feel I'm living everybody else's dream, and it's not for me. And I'm in between the lightning before the thunder roars. What's in store, I don't know, but I'll be fine as long as I am yours and you are mine.